If pain was a color to paint on you, your heart would be the color blue. Be a gradient from there until your body met your head, which remained as silver. You are the one they call Jesus Christ. You didn't know no rock and roll, just a mission and a gun to be rainbows in Vietnam, and a heart that always told you there's a madness in a song. There's a madness in a song. So who broke the rules? Who broke the rules? Who broke the rules? They said every one of you will never try to lend a hand when the policemen don't understand. Boys are heroes, I think it's so American. Girls are you girls, yeah, you're so American. He may not be born of this land, but he was born of this world. He was born of all the mothers and the colors of our brothers, and the love that was taught to you by the one they call Jesus Christ. He may not know no rock and roll, and there may not be a heaven or a place of which to send you, but you know in the end there's madness in a song. There's a madness in a song. There's a madness in a song. There's a madness in a song. So who broke the rules? Who broke the rules? Who broke the rules? They said every one of you will never try to lend a hand when the policemen don't understand. Boys are heroes, I think it's so American. Girls are you girls, yeah, you're so American. There's two eyes for every one of us, but somebody got there first and took them all.